to tell us about Narsur. Welcome to our studios.
Thank you so much.
What is Narsur?
नरसुर में बलोची कहते हैं.
Narsur is a type of Balochi traditional singing. Actually, it's a very old tradition from the times of Chakar-e-Azam.
वक्त नहीं बल्कि पुराना वक्त है. चाकर-ए-आज़म.
So our audience is eager to enjoy this, especially during marriage ceremonies, because it's very famous during the celebration.
आए नरसुर है तस्ले बाज एमी ते मैं फले गिनते गए इसी बाज तस्ले.
How is Narsur different from other genres of singing?
जी नरसुर में बाकी साधा सा मुख्तलिफ है. ये दंडी रुआ ये कैसे सरुदा.
Yes, Narsur is different from other music, such as Dambura and Sarinda and Dholaks.
ये यक शायरी है यक मतलब दुमी चीज़ है जो गालबंदी है पैदा का ये मैं नरसुर ये बाकी साधा सा मुख्तलिफ है.
It's a lonely music where lyrics and music are concerned. It is different from others.
एक है यक साजे देरी तारीख आज गिफ्टों मतलब वक्त आज गिफ्टों.
When did you start learning Narsur? And why did you learn Narsur? Why not any other form?
सरमना खुशी नहीं था मतलब.
Ma'am, the reason is that I liked Narsur from the very start of my childhood due to company of our old fellows, as they all played the Narsur.
मैं फला मार्क सनिया बचपन आ रहा शौक भी था कुदरती वो मार्क.
At that time, it was quite natural for me to adopt this music. Afterwards, the poet wrote lyrics and I performed Sur and Naris played the Nar. Now it's the new era of media, mobile videos and computers, and this will all increase our prospect for this.
ये वास्ता मसला लाइफ है.
Narsur is mostly considered a genre that is sung by people traveling from one place to another, like shepherds. Is that true?
या ओमेगा बिल्कुल रास्ता.
Yes, it is exactly true. We dwell in small towns where people, especially young male children who are shepherd, travel to the mountains. They play the Narsur as there is a lack of training in schools. It is not usual in cities, only villages where people love to play Narsur. Some write lyrics, some play Nar, and many become Suri. I consort with your question, that is genuine.
सही रास्ता ब्रो ना.
Do you also travel around Balochistan or other parts of Pakistan?
जी हाँ.
Yes, I trip almost every section of Pakistan. I might not have traveled wide places like I didn't go to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, but I traveled through Punjab, Rahimyat Khan, Sadiqabad, Dera Ghazi Khan, Tausa Sharif, and many more. And Balochistan is like my own place. In Sindh, Karachi, Sangha, Hyderabad, and Tandu Adam, and more sections of it.
ज़्यादा कष्ट कुल इलाका भी.
Okay, Narsur is a dying form of art. Do you think people appreciate it enough? Do you have enough audience?
सर ये नहीं हर किसी शौक है वो. आका से.
It's all about interest. You cannot impose it on anybody to determine this. Yes, it's true. It requires a little training, but the ultimate thing is interest. Everybody desires to be the master of that art form. Sometimes that cannot happen, as it is a matter of passion. Today you can discover it by videos and listening to music of this by the spiritualists.
हर किसी से मौज तालबा. वो यक के मर्द में भी फुल वर्ग भी नवी है यक के बीगा देस्ता. अमेरिका साथ.
Do people support you enough? Are you happy with what you get paid for or the appreciation that you have been getting so far?
जी हाँ शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बिल्कुल मना पंजी दिबाज देगा. माँ मैं फला रोगा.
Yes, thanks to Almighty Allah, we receive invitation for marriage ceremonies and other purposes. In Loralai and Harnai, the language of people is Pashto, but they heed to us, they give us respect. In Sindh, there is a vast population of Sindhi, Baloch, Mari and other communities. They invited us and yield you enough, and they also pay tickets for moving around.
मार मखलूक इस कदा महारन दे रों बाज इस कदा पैसा वन दे दिया. खर्चा मर्चा किरा हर शे सब ता मैं कुल बात दिया.
Mostly the Narsur that I have heard is the story of me, Chakar Khan. Are there any other stories as well? Would you like to sing something for us?
ये सर हमेशा के मैं
I'm going to sing it without proper music, then it would be rather unlike.
गालबंदी सावा मतलब सही चाटो अस्कुना ना. बंदे के बस का चाकरा रिंदा कवि है वार रहा ये बंद बोल रहा जाहा नया उसकी दोषी गिरो खान लम्न था काय भाव तो काय हा रहा कसा नरा था शाहिरी ये द्रोग हैं दुनिया वाहिदी दाता मुरीदा साहिदी ये द्रोग हैं दुनिया वाहिदी दोषी जुड़े न जंबरे लग रहे हैं जमिस्तानी उस पे दोषी गिरो खान लम था मीर चाकर महला गुना ये मैं एक
Mr. Meera, Narsur is a very old form of music and mostly youngsters are not aware of it. You want your children to carry on this tradition?
जी सर वजह नहीं थी जी ये गार्बियों की चीजें न इसी
Yes, ma'am. They play it. We are trying to teach to our youngsters, and this thing not going to cease. We shall inspect and keep singing it. And it's a traditional thing. We should not die out like this.
गार्बी का नया कामयाबी गार नबी
Thank you so much for coming to our studios.
मेहरबानी
Friends, let's listen to a beautiful performance of Narsur that Mr. Meera Khan has specially recorded for us at our studios. When we come back, we will talk to Mr. Asghar Khan, who is a Nari. Nari means flute player, and Nar is a special form of flute. Friends, this was Nar, the flute that brings magic to Narsur. Today we have in our studios Mr. Asghar Khan, who is a master of playing Nar. Welcome to our studios.
मेहरबानी
Thank you so much.
What is this instrument that you were playing?
जी दस्तान के नरसुर वाली है इसलिए माँ को जोड़ी
It is a part of Narsur. We call it Jodi and also Bean.
जबकि भी ये मतलब हमारा नड़ वाली एक हिस्सा है ना इशिया माँ के सनी नड़सुरा को आवाज
It is essential part of Narsur which is included in our culture.
हिंदी कुछ नहीं जोड़ी कुछ नहीं ठीक है ना इशिया माँ वजन हो दस्तान के मैं सकाफत बलूची और इशिया से माँ वजन हो
So why is Nar so important for Narsur? Because mostly when we look at the performances of Narsur, there are other instruments as well. But Nar is the only famous one.
मगुश में एक किस्से मैं मरी के बैल अंदर बलूची अंदर एक किस्से मियाँ किए औलाद सिर्फ देरी या नड़ा
Yes, as I said, in our Mari tribe and in our Balochi culture, it is the most ancient part of the Narsur. All other instruments are added later on.
बड़ा दीन है और ये दी एक नड़ा या शाखे या हिस्सा है मखलूक माइश शौक तो जोड़ती हूँ या बलूची सकाफते या मैं बलूची कल्चर है शमाली
It is the main piece of Balochi culture. Balochi is our mother language. We got it from our forefathers and now we keep on playing it.
देरिया रिश्या वजन ना पैदा हम मैं पैदा वजन ना भी क्यों वजन ना अब बड़ा डम पेशियां वजन ना माँ दे हमारी पलवा दी तो ये शौक भी था माइश जोड़ती हूँ वजन
Askar sir, what is this made of?
ये कलेर माँ को नहीं कलेर आज चाहिए यकी दूरी
It is made from the wood of trees like Khaler and Tali and also a tree named as Harpo.
दारी नामे पर बुगड़ चाहिए हमें सही दार से मतलब ठागन दावर भी
This instrument looks very difficult to play. How old were you when you started playing it?
शर्मा इजुर्ता तक
It was when I was 10 years old.
10 साल में उम्र है हमारे माटे में
10 years.
10 साल में उम्र है मैं इजुर्ता हमारे माँ उड़ के स्थिर माँ चिक मतलब दरा ध्याति सावा निश्चित हूँ
As I was living in the village and had many interaction with culture and people of villages. It's about 23 years ago when I recorded my first performance as a cassette, and then the era changed into mobiles and internet. Then this music started spreading very fast. People across the country kept on inviting us.
नेट दर कब्जा वो इश्य जमा कैसे हमारी चीज़ खत्म भी हो ये इंटरनेट तो दौरात का तहारंदा पहल सोचती हैं वो किस्म में आपको इसी शौक पैदा भी था मखलूता चाहत ज़्यादा
We also performed in government functions. We also performed on PTV Bolan. Then here in Lokvirsa, Islamabad, thanks to higher authorities. Now my age is 34 to 35 and I started when I was a young boy of 10 years.
रात कुमार शामिल भी ज़रूर बिल्कुल इसी किस्म में मिक्र शौक के हमारे माँ से 10 साल ही छोड़ था वहाँ हमारे माँ जुड़ता और नी एट में तकरीबन महीनी उम्र भी गए 35 साल 34 साल में उम्र है जी हाँ
So who was your teacher?
ऐसे कल तो सही इसी शागिर्दी सर में कसब उनको तो अगर मैं उस्ताद अस्ते हम अगर देख आई तक मदी तो
Actually, I had never been a student of this music. Never attended classes as such. But there was a cousin of mine, Nasir Khan, with whom I spent a great time. So I got a lot from him.
ये बेरा हमारी शागिर्दी तो दो में पर तो मैं अब्बा जिंदो हमारी वजह तक हमारी हमारा तरीका से सही कर से हमारा तरीका से कि बाबा इश्ये हमें गंद मतीली
He also taught different ways of playing Narsur. My father was also a Nadi, but he was not a regular player of it. I attended marriage ceremonies and other functions with Nasir Khan, and then I learned it completely. But my father taught me how to manage your breath while playing it.
इससे कहता हमेशा कि हमें मुर्दान हमारा तरीका मैं जिंदा पैसा मतलब मैं यब्बा डसता कि ये बेरा मतलब हम मुर्दान का ये बेरा ये का हमारा तरीका को पता दर कब तो गुड़ मैं उस्ताद है कि असल वजह नोकने अब्बा हमारे माँ वजह ना कम में वजह ना गुड़ ये इश्तो दाता दूमी मैं एक नासर खाना में मैं उस्ताद है मैं वो रिश्तेदार देश कजन देश गाँव में हमारे
And he made me practice for 20 days. Now I go everywhere. People send me invitation for performances.
नहीं मर्सी मंगाला मेहरबानी आपसे अंदर करता हूँ मैं प्रोग्राम शादियाँ रोगा प्रोग्राम हरंदा में लोटाना मरोगा
We see a form of Nar in Sindh as well. Is that any different from the Baloch Nar or it's similar?
है ना नड़ बलूची अस्ता बलूची नड़ हर किसी मतलब हम फर्क है नड़ अगर नड़ साज हम यक ठीक है ना बलूची नड़ वजन आते ये नड़ा वजन और इशियत वजन यक वो हर किसी में साजार फर्क अस्ते
I don't think it's different, but the rhythm changes as you go from one place to another. Other thing is the type of lyrics and the ability of a person who is playing it. Like in ghazals, you have to change this, but in case of Narsur, it always remains same.
मादिन जोड़ियां वजन आ नड़ा वजन मादिन पिसादी में नड़े सा बाज फनकारे करने की अक्के वजन आते कुल्ले मतलब साज हमेशा था आके वजन का तवे सा था तू में कसे वहाँ शायर शायरी यहाँ एक है गजल है यहाँ एक है वहाँ शायर शायरी भी ये नड़सुर वालों साहब ये मैं यकीन शर कोई मतलब नहीं फर्क नहीं
Asghar sahab, our new generation is not aware of these traditional forms of instruments. What should we do to make them aware of this?
हमारे जी वक्त के से न सारी तेशियरा हम की जिंदगी है और इशियरा माँ हवे कोशिशों कि इशियर के दे में वधाए लगी है इशिये हमान गार नखन लगी है ये यक सखावत है यक रस्म रवाज और पदीन सलापद ठीक है कि गार नखन लगी है शे हम आगा बनाना ब्रो
The first thing is that we are trying our best to spread and save this traditional form of music. We keep saying that we should not forget our culture and music. If you have a child, first thing is that provide him an education. And with the education, you should tell him about culture and this form of music. Both things should move simultaneously.
मतलब जिरी लगी है इसी हिस्सा से तालीम जरूरी है सारी किस्म तालीम जरूरी है वही चुके वही बच्चे और यहाँ तालीमात है और तालीम रंदा ईदगार नकल गई वही रस्म रवाज दिगार नकल गई वही साज वही ज़ेमर और टोक मशायर शायरी आंदगार नकल गई ये दिया के हिस्सा है ना
Thank you so much for coming to our show. Today's show was very informative. I learned so much about Narsur and I hope our audience has learned as well.
Thank you so much.
Friends, that was a very informative show about Narsur. Narsur is an indigenous form of music that needs to be preserved, documented and disseminated to our future generations. Before we leave, we will play another beautiful performance of Ms. Abira Khan and Asghar Khan that was recorded in our studios. Keep watching Folk Beats every Sunday on PTV World. Goodbye.
Raka